driving up, getting, bloody shoot up.
Get up, get up, get up. Excellent. Yep. Yes. Yes, Kel.
Nice, Kel. What I want you to do when you receive that ball in the 45, I want you to be able to face the game as quick as you possibly can to assess what's for the ball. Okay? We're not taking that mark and just taking a couple of steps, left down, hold, and the defence to get set behind us. So face the game as quick as you can. Alright? Two on each going to start. One on the legs, and a couple others.
Bloody. Here, mate, yeah.
Tell him what to do, talk to him.
Get there!
Tell him what to do. Nice. Tell him what to do.
Time, face up!
Great talk,
Oh, look inside! Hey! Drink!
Remember, if we're free, we want to get that free player ahead of the ball, or at least lateral. Okay? Go. Let's go with us. Critter! Come here, Critter! Go! Yep. Go back. Campbell. Okay. Go right. Go right. Go left. There, 6. Run.